Hey, what's up? Jonnie Grooms here, and I am going to do another beard care kit review. Today, I'm going to be talking about Gents, Barbershop, and Spa. Now, you can find this kit on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. This kit was a little more expensive than the ones that I've reviewed before. Usually I try to stay under 20 bucks to find like a really good value for the money, but this particular kit comes with so much stuff that the $25 price tag was well worth it. There's a lot of things in this kit. We're going to break it down. I'm going to open it up and show you everything that's inside. This is the Gents Barbershop and Spa Fine Grooming Kit. There's the front of the box. On the side of the box, you got your QR code and social media, and UPC code right there. And it's fine grooming products in the back. And on the back, you get a little rundown of the company itself. I'll hold that here. You can freeze frame that and read that at your leisure. So you get a very large comb right here. You get a little card, unhappy or happy, and it gives you instructions if you're unhappy to contact them, and if you're happy to leave a review. So there you go. You get a beard brush, and you get some styling scissors. Very good quality styling scissors. Very nice. Got the brand right there. I'll hold it up to the camera. A little brand right there. And this seems to be a removable. If you want to remove it, it's screwed on there, and they have a bumper here so it doesn't scratch the finger hole. I don't know. See that little bumper there? You get some blades. You get 10 blades. Looks like they're Platinum Series and Classic. Yep, regular razor blades. So there you go. The next thing you get is a straight edge razor. Very nice. Little branding right there. No blade in it right now. Yeah. You get a beard styling tool, and it doubles as a beard comb. And a little mustache comb. I love it. It's so cute. It's so tiny. That's going to be in my pocket. That's perfect. And you get a bottle of their beard oil. Ingredients and directions. And that's their beard oil. And you get a container of their beard balm. Right there. Directions and ingredients. And this is everything that comes in the Gents Barbershop and Spa kit. Let's bring it on top, and I will give my final thoughts and review. Okay, so this kit comes with everything. Combs, razors, straight edge razor, brush, you name it, styling tool, balm, oil, scissors. I took a couple of hours and I scoured Amazon to try to find the best beard kit for the money. This being $25 and all it includes, that's perfect for me. I'm going to open up the balm and the oil to see how they smell. Wow, already. I haven't even opened up yet and I smell the scent. It's so strong. Right through the tin. It's a 2-ounce tin. Sandalwood scent. Out of all the ones I have, this has the least amount of ingredients. It only contains argan oil, sandalwood, jojoba oil, eucalyptus, and beeswax. That's it. That's a nice clean scent. That's a very good sandalwood scent. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, I see the beard oil is unscented, so I'm not going to open it because it doesn't have a scent. It's only two ingredients to this beard oil, which is jojoba oil and argan oil. That's it. There's no other. That's all that's in here. So you talk about 100% natural. You can't get any more natural than that. So it's going to be tough to give this one a rating that's not perfect. This is soft. This is a really soft brush right here. I really enjoy this. And here, this is the shaving comb tool. See that? That's how you do that. No. This. I don't know how to use this. I've never tried to use a straight edge razor. I don't even know how to hold it right. I'm just gonna hold it like this. So this is gonna be an interesting learning experience for me. I'm gonna practice on some balloons first, because I hear that's how you practice with these. You take a balloon, put some shaving cream on it, and you try to shave the balloon without popping it. So maybe we'll do a little bit of that training before I start, so I don't cut myself like crazy. Because I'm gonna be using this to shave my head. See how this goes. So straight edge training videos are coming soon. It's a nice comb right there. I like that. Let's do the teeth test. It's good audio. It's a comb, you know. I don't have long hair, so this is probably gonna go to my wife, who she can use it on, you know, the kids to brush their hair. It's a very good comb. I just hope they don't lose it. I am going to keep the mustache comb because this is adorable. I love this little guy right here. Oh yeah. Look at that. I just hope I don't lose this. Let's see if we can do a little audio teeth test on this one. Nah, they're not long enough. I'm gonna give this kid an 8. Only because no product is perfect. On the razor itself, there are some scratches in the metal. On the brush here, we got some loose, wild bristles, just flay. You know, they're kind of like flared around. They're coming off the brush. The beard balm is perfect. That's a perfect beard balm. Minimal ingredients, great scent. Love the beard balm. The scissors have some. They had some stuff on it. Could be just some lubrication for the hinge in the middle. It's a little dirty, so that takes points off right there. Like right in there. There's a little black spot right there. Could just be lubrication for the scissors to move. But you know, appearance plays a big role in my ratings. I value aesthetics. I like things to be, you know, polished, clean, scratch-free. So that's why it doesn't get a perfect rating. But it gets a very high rating because for 25 bucks, you're getting every tool you see here, plus the balm and the oil. Very satisfied with my purchase. I'm gonna happily use this kit. So in my unhappy and happy card, I'm definitely on the happy side. I'm definitely on the happy side, and I highly recommend this kit. It's in Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link down below, and I suggest picking it up. Especially if you don't have a straight edge razor and you want to learn how to use one of these and get one of these for fairly cheap, because these alone on some sites are very expensive. So just this alone is worth it. If you like the contents of the video, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know the next time I upload the next video. See you with the next review. Later.